Before you buy another essential oil, stop. You might be missing the secret that makes them actually work. I'm Jenice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions, and I'm here to remind you that slowing down is your superpower. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast, your midweek pause for peace, purpose, and glow. If you're ready to glow naturally, from your skin to your spirit, make sure you follow, rate, and subscribe so you never miss a weekly ritual. Each episode is your gentle reset, one drop of calm, one dose of clarity, and one step closer to the version of you that's already healing. Today on the Essential Wellness Podcast, we're uncovering the truth behind essential oils versus infusions. Two words that sound similar, but one unlocks glow that lasts long after the label fades. If you've ever wondered why your oils don't deliver the results you expected, this is the episode that changes everything. This podcast is for educational and inspirational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or replace professional medical advice or care. Always consult your licensed healthcare provider before starting any new wellness or essential oil routine. Essential oils are the heartbeat of nature, pure, powerful, and fast. One drop of lavender holds the energy of hundreds of blossoms. That's why they act quickly, but also why you need respect and restraint. They're like passion, beautiful but intense. Used correctly, they trigger instant renewal. Used carelessly, they overwhelm. In short, essential oils ignite change, but they can't sustain it alone. Now here's where the magic deepens. Infusions are the slow-brewed version of care, the calm counterpart to essential oils' fire. You take herbs, flowers, and oils, then let them steep for weeks, sometimes months. No rush, just patience, warmth, and intention. While essential oils spark, infusions stabilize. They're the slow love your skin and soul can absorb. It's the difference between a spark and a steady flame. As a nurse, I've watched the body heal when it's given time and nourishment. The same applies to your skin. It's a living organ. It breathes, renews, and responds to consistency. When you rush healing, you trigger stress. When you slow down, you activate balance. That's what infusions remind us to do. Care without chaos. At AJ's EO Infusions, we blend both worlds. Fast meets faithful. Every formula, from the lip ritual to our glow oils, is designed to deliver immediate results and long-lasting calm. Frankincense renews, lavender restores, peppermint revives. Together, they harmonize your energy and skin. That's not just skincare, it's soul care. Slow beauty isn't about products, it's about peace. It's how we show gratitude for our bodies while they evolve. Because aging isn't loss, it's layering wisdom. And beauty isn't something we chase, it's something we remember. Essential oils teach urgency. Infusions teach patience. The real glow happens when you learn both rhythms and live in between. Here's your soulful wellness challenge this week. Every night, pause for 30 seconds. Massage the lip ritual onto your lips. Breathe deeply. Whisper one thing you're grateful for. You'll notice peace begins to show up where pressure used to live. That's your glow ritual. That's your renewal in motion. If this episode spoke to your spirit, share it with a friend who's rushing through their healing. Slow down with me every Wednesday on the Essential Wellness Podcast. Subscribe wherever you listen and shop the lip ritual at AJ's EO Infusions. I'd love for you to join our growing glow community. Subscribe so you never miss your midweek moment of calm, clarity, and confidence. Share this episode with someone who's ready to glow naturally, because when we rise in wellness, we rise together. You don't need more products. you need more presence. And that's exactly what we're building. Before we close, I want to leave you with a reflection straight from this week's Glow Notes. Gratitude slows aging faster than any serum. When you take a second to thank your skin, your mind, or even your breath, you soften the rush that steals your joy. That's the real anti-aging secret. Gratitude doesn't erase years. It restores presence. And that's where your glow lives. Before you head out, let's do a quick glow check. How's your energy right now? Glowing or going? If it's glowing, protect it. If it's going, pause and refill it. Because your peace is your power, and your presence is your glow currency. That's what we call glowergy, the frequency of calm confidence that follows you wherever you go. It's what happens when your self-care becomes soul care. So take a breath, unclench your jaw, and remind yourself, I am the glow. I bring the energy. Until next time, keep protecting your peace and sharing your glowergy with the world.
You've been listening to AJ's Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast with me, Jenice Story, nurse, essential oil coach, aromatherapist, and founder of AJ's Infusions. Stay connected with our Glow community for more rituals, reflections, and inspiration. You can shop The Ritual, watch Soulful Sunday, and read Transformative Tuesday, all at AJ's Infusions, to keep your glow flowing every week. Because this isn't just wellness, it's where self-care meets sisterhood.